Everyone, Scouts here, back with another box opening. Today I'm going to be doing the second box of the Topps Finest 2026. So go make sure you watch the first video if you have not already to see what we pulled. We pulled those two cards, but to see what else we have gotten. Before we get started though, make sure you're liking this video, subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to turn notifications on. This way you get notified of when we do not drop new videos just like this. I'm still asking for potential names to the show. I am trying to debate whether to come up with something, so bear with me on that. If you have any suggestions, feel free to leave it in the comments below. Alright, let's get started. 8 packs, 6 cards per pack. Yamamoto, Josnix Garcia, Jacob deGrom. We have Jack Caglione on the uncommon. World's Finest Bobby Witt Jr. into a World's Finest Julio Rodriguez. Oh, so this is a chrome one. Okay, it's a refractor. Ooh. Interesting. Alright, we got Trey Turner, Carson Williams, Jose Ramirez, Jose Altuve. We got Christopher Sanchez on the uncommon into Samuel Basallo on the refractor, the speckle. Dylan Cruz, Andrew Painter, Mookie Betts, Mason Wynn, Colby Thomas into Team Finest, Francisco Lindor. Alright, we're going to keep that to the end. I don't know what's in that pack, but I think we got something. Byron Buxton, Shohei Ohtani, Okamoto, Yordan Alvarez. We got Nico Horner and a Ronald Acuna Jr. Murakami, Chase Burns, Carlos Correa, Garrett Crochet, Drake Baldwin into a World's Finest Paul Skeens. Got 3 packs left. Brandon Sproat, Junior Caminero, Mike Trout, Okamoto, Finest Futures, Colson Montgomery. It's the first time I've seen one of those. Fernando Tatis on the speckle. So this one happens, Cena. All right, Nick Kurtz, Bubba Chandler, Joe Adell on the uncommon. We got a Drew Gilbert on a purple, 62 out of 75. Connor Griffin on the Team Finest, which is amazing, into a Chase DeLauder on the arrivals. All right, let's get these all in sleeves. This one especially, out of 75. Nice. Okay, and now last pack magic. Vlad Guerrero, Aaron Judge, Justin Verlander, Joe Ryan. We're going to go with Salvador Perez on the speckle into a Joe Adell uncommon teal speckle 106 out of 199. So this box got 2 numbered cards in it. All right. So I'm not going to complain about these boxes. Yes, would I like and gotten an autograph? Would I have liked to got some mem or anything? But I will definitely take 2 numbered cards plus some good rookies out of here. We got the White Sox rookie again. We got the Blue Jays rookie, Chase Burns. So overall, I feel like this is a good product. I do like the cards. It does remind me of the older Topps Finest, but I do like that they have different uncommons and such like that. So let me know your comments below. Let me know what your favorite card was that I had pulled today. I want to thank you all for stopping on by, and we'll see you all soon. Have a great day. Peace.